Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to set up Earthlink wireless internet. First, make sure you've received your Earthlink wireless internet router and all the accessories that came in the box, including the power adapter. Now choose a good location for the router. For the best signal, place it near a window, on a shelf, or in an open area away from large metal objects, thick walls, and other electronics that may interfere with the connection. Then connect the power adapter to the router. After that, plug the power adapter into a wall outlet and turn on the router. Now wait a few minutes for the router to start up. During this time, the indicator lights may flash while the device searches for and connects to the Earthlink network. Once the lights become stable, the router should be connected and ready for activation. Next, download the Earthlink Wireless Home Internet app on your smartphone or open the Earthlink Wireless Home Internet online portal from your computer. Then sign in using your Earthlink account credentials. If you're a new customer, follow the instructions to create or activate your account. After that, follow the on-screen setup instructions provided in the app or portal. Now, locate the default Wi-Fi network name and password, which are usually printed on a label on the router. Then open the Wi-Fi settings on your phone, tablet, or computer and connect to the Earthlink Wi-Fi network. Enter the default password when prompted. Once your device is connected, return to the Earthlink app or portal and continue the activation process. The system may automatically detect your router and complete the setup. After that, wait for the activation process to finish. This may take a few minutes. Now test your internet connection by opening a website, streaming a video, or running a speed test. If everything is working properly, your Earthlink wireless internet is ready to use. Next, you can customize your network settings. Go to the Wi-Fi settings section in the app or portal and change the Wi-Fi name and password to something easier to remember and more secure. After saving the changes, reconnect your devices using the new Wi-Fi credentials. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.